guys, morning or good afternoon, afternoon. Yeah, because it's after 12 or no? No, it's 11 o'clock. Okay, good morning. Hi, today is 16th of May. It's Sunday. Well, I'm with Roman. Hi, Roman.
Hi.
How are you?
Not good.
What?
Not good.
Why?
Because
You drank too much or
things.
what?
Yes, I'm not in my best shape.
And where are you going now?
I'm going to pick a student at the airport for the work.
Okay, but I think we can go to the left side, and after that, if we keep like that, we can arrive at interconnection.
Okay.
Okay, we came from Pops Hill. You see that's the hill, and it go to Pops Hill. We came from Pops Hill, as I said. So let's go in that way. Yesterday we had like a dinner with another French people with well, some of our friends, and we went out maybe at 11:30 more or less, and we went to Old Oak. It was good, it was nice. And right now I am going to Blarney with some of my friends, and Roman is going to the airport. So yesterday it was funny, it was nice. I don't know what else to say. We're going that way to interconnection. Uh, hey, little girl. Okay, I don't know what else I would do. Maybe a video or something when I'll be in Blarney. Maybe there is St. Patrick Street, well, the city center and everything. And I think we have to go in that way. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now. Today is 16th of May. It is Sunday. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.